Welcome to JH. Today we are diving into the world of SnapTrader AI to figure out if it is a legitimate financial tool or just another elaborate way to set your hard-earned cash on fire. This platform claims to use high-level artificial intelligence to help you trade cryptocurrencies and other assets, with ads making it sound like a magic money printer for the lazy. Because, as we all know, the internet is famous for its history of giving away free wealth to total strangers without any catch. Before you decide to hand over your life savings, it is crucial to know if this thing is actually real. Independent website safety checks have already flagged SnapTrader AI with a trust score so low it is practically underground, officially labeling the site as suspicious and high risk. There is absolutely no proof that any major financial regulators have licensed this platform. In a hilarious twist of honesty, the official site even admits its own claims are not verified by independent sources. It is essentially the digital equivalent of a "Trust Me, Bro" sticker. While you might find a few glowing reviews online, most of them lack verified data and smell suspiciously like a marketing department working overtime. When we look at what actual human beings are saying, the feedback is overwhelmingly negative. Many users report losing their money and claim that AI signals were about as accurate as a weather forecast in a blender. Some frustrated traders have gone as far as calling it a total scam, noting that the system felt completely random rather than smart. To wrap this up, SnapTrader AI is waving more red flags than a parade. It is widely viewed as unsafe and unreliable by both professional review tools and the poor souls who actually tried it. Most honest signals suggest this is a terrible choice for serious trading, and you should probably think twice, or maybe 10 times, before depositing a single-cent stick to well-known, regulated platforms if you actually enjoy keeping your money. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.